Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun little cheetah print look that has some hidden hearts in it as well. So let's get right into this. First up, I'm going to start off this look by putting 2 coats of Lotus Begin by China Glaze as my light lavender base. And once that is dried, I'm going to go in with the Cupcake Polish Wanderer shade that is from their new Wild and Free trio, which I will link in the description box below. I'm using that for the hearts that I'm going to use as the base of the cheetah print. And I'm going to also put in just a few dots here and there because, as you're going to see in a bit, we're going to do most of our detailing that's going to make this look like a cheetah print with black acrylic paint. So let's move on to that. So now I'm going in with that black acrylic paint and I'm kind of loosely outlining the shapes. We definitely don't want it all to be connected. We don't want it to be like a full-on line. We kind of want to blob outline them. I mean, that's the best way I think I could describe it. So we're going to do that. We're going to leave some sides open so it just has a cheetah-like feel. And then in the negative space where there is nothing, we're going to go in with the black acrylic paint as well and just put in dots here and there. You do not want your dots to be uniform by any means. You want them to be kind of like little blobs or splotches. And I've also decided that every now and then I'm going to make some heart-shaped ones that will give it even more of a Valentine's-like feel, again, without being overly Valentine's-like. So you're going to do this until you are content with how the pattern looks on your nails. And that is it. On my index fingers, I did the corners with the same kind of cheetah print. You could go ahead and do all of your nails this way if you wanted, but I thought I would just make a really fun accent nail for this. So that is what I'm doing. After that is all done and dried, it is time to apply your favorite top coat. Recently, I have been loving the Vibrant Vinyl Stupid Cupid. I believe it is called Fast and Hard Quick Dry Top Coat. Yes, that is what it is called. It is super glossy. It has a really nice scent, but this is from the January Polish pickup, so you can't get this exact scent anymore, but she has like a bazillion to choose from, so I will go ahead and link that down below in case you guys want to check out this top coat because I've been loving it. So there is a final look at this design. I'm really happy with how it came out, and I just love this whole lavender purple combo for something different around this time of year. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching it. I will be back tomorrow with another Valentine's look. And that will continue until Valentine's Day. We might get a little off track this next week because with the Grammy red carpet and Fashion Week going on, I might want to do some nails inspired by those events, but we will wait and see. So if you guys have any requests, anything that's Valentine's like that you want to see, or any certain outfit that you saw during New York Fashion Week or during the Grammys red carpets, be sure to let me know and I might just turn that into a video. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye!